Hi, I'm Mike McGrath from Microsoft, and I want to demonstrate to you very quickly the auditor solution and how it's built upon two key correlation engines. One is the network engine and the second is the application engine. What we're going to use is a demonstration network where we've got users in the trusted zone going to use the proxy and the firewall to access connectivity and data applications. We're going to look first of all and see what users are attached to the network over time. We select, produce a report of all those users, and we can select any one of those users. We can of course search for any of these parameters as you see later on. This is the key network correlation engine. IP to MAC to device to physical interface VLAN. This is built up over time and stored over time. We can then click through any of the variables there. In this case, we've selected the MAC address, and we can see the relationship of MAC to IP, and we can tag in any other information about the device information that we so wish. We're now looking at the IP address. We can check for ports that may be open on the device itself. We can also run a series of tools, and this is where we begin to link to the application engine and begin to look at then application settings and network address translation functions. In this case, we're actually looking at the firewall and seeing what traffic that device has had through the firewall over time. We're now going to look a little bit at the proxy and just give you the aspect of the power that we have and breadth. I'm showing a report here looking at every single URL over time that's been called from that device and that IP address. We can of course filter through that, select whatever we want. Coming back out at future videos, we'll go into more detail. But what I'd like to try and get across here, how easy, how effective, and how necessary this is. This is a simple software solution capable of providing that level of detail. Thank you for listening.